2 days.
I'll be the one that will be taking you through cross-examination.
Imina ke ozokubuza imibuzo.
Your duty there is to answer questions that I pose to you.
Okwakho ke njengoba uhlezi lapha ukuthi ke uphenduleke imibuzo engikubuza yona.
If you do not understand what I say to you, please ask for it to be repeated.
Uma kuukuthi ke umbuzo engikubuza wona awuzwa, cela ke ukuthi uphindwe.
Furthermore, you are under oath.
Okunye futhi ke uthathe isifungo ufungile.
I hope by now you know what it means to be under oath.
Ngicabanga ukuthi manje ke noma ke ngiyathemba ukuthi njengamanje ke uyazi ukuthi kusho ukuthini lokho.
You understand?
Ngabe sezwana?
Yebo Nkosi Katwa.
Yes, my lord.
And I also want to remind you that making a false statement under oath is a criminal offense.
Bengicela ke nokuthi ngikhumbuzeke ukuthi ke wenze istatement engasilona iqiniso noma ke inkulumo engasilona ke iqiniso ukwenza lokho ke ufungile ukuthi ke ubelelesi lobo.
That was just by way of an introduction, Mr. Zondo.
Bekuukwazisa nje noma ke ukukutshela ke lokho mnumzana uZondo.
Thank you. Mr. Zondo, you were asked about the incident that happened on the 26th of October 2014 where the deceased in this matter was murdered, correct?
Ubuziwe ke ngesehlakalo esenzeka nge-26 ka October 2014 la khona ke umufi kulona icala leli wadutshulwa wabulawa angithi. Ubuziwe ngalokho?
Yes, ngibuziwe ngalokho.
Yes, I was asked.
Will you assist this court as to what happened on the 26th of October 2014?
Ungayisiza yini noma ungasiza yini lenkantolo ngokuthi ke kwenzekani ngazo i-26 October 2014?
Nkosi Katwa ngazilutho.
My lord, I know nothing.
And you rightly said you were at your place of employment where you were working night shift.
Ushilo nokuthi ke wawusemsebenzini la wawusebenza khona ke i-night shift.
Nkosi Katwa njani?
That's correct, my lord.
Starting with accused number 1, were you together with him on the 26th of October 2014?
Masiqala ngomsolo wokuqala wawundawonye yini naye ngazo i-26 October 2014?
Umsolo wokuqala ubani Nkosi Katwa?
Who's accused number 1?
Mr. Moses Bia.
Moses Sibiya.
Ayingangekho naye Nkosi Katwa.
No, I was not together with him, my lord.
And you will not tell the court his whereabouts on the date in question?
Angeke uyitshele inkantolo ukuthi wayekuphi nendawo yena ngalo i-date leyo.
Ayangimazi Nkosi Katwa ngihambi nalezi ngane.
I don't know him, my lord. I do not go around with these children.
And then accused number 2, Mr. Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
Umswala wesibili yena ke uBongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
Ngawule date.
On this particular
Oh
date.
yes, on the 26th of October 2014.
Yebo nge-26 October 2014.
Ngangekho naye Nkosi Katwa.
I was not with him, my lord.
Did you know his whereabouts?
Wawazi yini ukuthi wayekuphi nendawo yena?
Nkosi enkantolo ngicela ungakaphenduli ubaba. Nkosi enkantolo ngimdala angihambi nalezi ngane Nkosi enkantolo. Ngiyaxolisa nje ukunakubuza kanjalo angihambi ngimdala. Lapha ezikhona ngisuke ngingekho.
My apologies, my lord, before I respond to the gentleman, my lord. I'm an elder, my lord. I'm grown up. I do not go around where these children, my lord, go around or where they hang around.
So, in short, you cannot confirm his whereabouts. I understand that they are young, you are older.
Ngiyakuzwa lokho ukuthi bancane umdala wena, kodwa nje ngamafushane uthi ke awungeke uqinisekise ukuthi wayekephi nendawo. Angeke usho ukuthi wayekuphi.
Nkosi enkantolo ke ngiphendule. Angimazi ukuthi wayekuphi Nkosi enkantolo.
I don't know where he was, my lord.
Thank you. And then accused number 4.
Umsolo wesine yena.
Ngikhumbuza Nkosi enkantolo bani kwangimsolo.
Mr. MZ Mapisa.
MZ Mapisa.
ngokunjalo kwesenkantolo ngangenayo nje.
Same applies, my lord. I was not with him.
And then accused number 5.
Msola wesihlanu yena.
Naye futhi kwesenkantolo ngangenayo nje.
Same applies with him, my lord. I was not with him.
It's for the sake of completeness. Accused number 3, you indicated that you do not know him.
Ushilo ukuthi umsola wesithathu awumazi.
Oh bani konje. Angimazi kwesenkantolo.
Mr. Mthobi,
No, I don't know him, my lord.
Nobe.
Angimazi kwesenkantolo.
I don't know him, my lord.
Thank you. During the year 2014, did you know accused number 2 before court, Mr. Bongani Ntanzi?
Ngonyaka ka 2014 umsola wesibili uBongani Ntanzi wawumazi. 2014.
Engangimazi kwesenkantolo ngangimazi.
Yes, I knew him, my lord. I knew him.
How did you know him?
Wawumazi kanjani?
Ngoba ngeke ngachaza kwesenkantolo ukuthi ngimazi efunda nabafana babalimi futhi kunami abancane abangangayi. Bahamba isikole mefika ekhaya makulate ngize ngithi mina abathatha imoto bemphelekezele ngoba ukude kubo kunalapha esikhona dala nje ngimazi.
As I've explained, my lord, that he was attending school with my brothers. They are much younger than me, my lord. He would come home. I would then request them to take the vehicle and accompany him because where he was staying, my lord, it's very far. So I've known him for a long time.
And then during that time, do you know if he was employed during the year 2014?
Ngaleso sikhathi leso ingabe uyazi yini ukuthi wayesebenza ngo2014?
Inkasakade mangasakhumbuli ukuthi konja umsebenzi uphele nini ngamaphi unyanga kodwa ngathi wayesebenza 2014 ngoba so 2013 2014 ngangibhizi ngaye engomeni.
Although I can't remember, my lord, when exactly he when he lost employment, my lord, but between 2013 and 2014, that's when I was busy with him, my lord, and the traditional dance.
And then you said it's a sport that you partook in, correct?
Ushiloge ukuthi ke isport owusenza leso angithi.
Yebo kwesenkantolo.
Yes, my lord.
With accused number 2.
Naye umsola wesibili.
Umsola wesibili.
Mr. Ntanzi, sorry.
Yeah, when out dance okay.
Yes, together with Ntanzi.
Okay. And then it was your evidence that you will have this dance, traditional dance, around Gauteng as well.
Ushiloge nokuthi ke nanihamba ke igoli leli ke uma niya khona ke engomeni.
Unjalo kwesenkantolo.
That's indeed correct, my lord.
Where will you usually have this traditional dance?
Nanivamise ngokuthi ke niye kuphi nendawo uma niya kuyona ke ingoma.
Ake ngibe kanje kwesenkantolo. Besine timetable.
Let me put it like this, my lord. We had a timetable.
Yes, sazi ukuthi kule viki yechipi.
We would know that this week it would be in Jeep.
Kwakujapha iviki eli1 kwelandelayo iye Kloof eMai.
We would then skip a week, my lord, and then the next one it would go to Kloof in the mine.
Ngeke ngibale zonke nje zonke lezi ndawo ko East Fontaine.
I won't mention them all, my lord, but like East Driefontein, Benoni.
Thank you. And then you were traveling all these places with accused number 2, Mr. Bongani Ntanzi, correct?
Kuzona zonke le ndawo lezi ke wawuhamba naye umsola wesibili uBongani Ntanzi.
Kunjalo kwesenkantolo.
That's indeed correct, my lord.
And then did I hear you correctly when you said at some stage you attended the sport in Basutu Hostel?
Ngikuzwe kahle yini ke uba ngaba uthi kwakunesikhathi la khona ke enake naya khona eBasuthu Hostel.
Ngokwengoma. Yes, ngokwengoma kwesenkantolo magni sport ibila kunendawo ispace nje upaka khona imoto ngapha igidelwa lapho nayo hostel.
Yes, my lord, with regards or attending to the traditional dance, there would be an open space on the side where cars are parked, and then on the side there would be the hostel.
Was it inside the hostel or outside the hostel?
Ingabe kwakungaphakathi hostel noma ngaphandle hostel?
Ingaphandle kwehostel ngale komgwaqo.
It's outside the hostel on the other side of the road.
Did you also visit the hostel since you were nearby?
Nanje ngoba ke nani lapho ke duze ngabe? Is it you as in him personally?
Him and accused number 2.
Ingabe naniya yini ehostel? Angithi manje nise uthi ihostel ingale noma le ndawo ingale komgwaqo nanjengoba manje seniseduze ke ehostel naniya yini ehostel
Nkosikazi ake ngichaze kanje mhlambe ngizo understand sport uma kuyodlalwa icamp iqala Friday askis iqalwa Saturday kuyogidwa Sunday.
Let me explain it like this, maybe the sport would be understood. When you go to the traditional dance, the camp would start on the Saturday and then the dance itself would be on the Sunday.
Yes, so ngibavalela lapho kosenkantolo bavalela ukuthi bengadibani namantombazane ngoba if edibani nentombazane sinenkolelo ukuthi amandla akabi nawo maseyogida, so that's why ngibavalela kule ndawo.
I would then place them or put them in this particular place, my Lord, because there is this belief that if it happens that they come across the opposite sex, females, my Lord, then there is no more power or that energy is no longer there, my Lord. And now I want to go specifically to this question that was being asked, my Lord.
Yeah. Sambeke nge-transport ye-minibus siyofika lapha ya esiyogida khona.
We would then take the mine transport now, that is the bus itself, my Lord. We go to the place itself.
Uma sifika apha kosenkantolo abaphumi labadlali ngoba egqoke uniform.
When we get there, the guys that take part, my Lord, the ones that are wearing uniform, they do not alight out of the bus or they get out of the bus.
Ngiqonde kosenkantolo ukuphendula yambuza ukuthi ubephuma neyangani. Bengaphumi kosenkantolo ngoba bebe umthetho ngibavalela lapha ebhasini until begide uphelele ethi umdlalo ngobo 5-4 ngihambise ngemoto yami encane private iRanex ngiyombeka le ngoba ibhasi yethu emayini ayivumi ukuthi sihambise umuntu okwenye imayini ngoba icompany zihlukene.
I would then put them there in the bus or keep them there in the bus, my Lord, until the time arrives for them to perform, and thereafter I would then take him, my Lord, with my car, my Lord, the Ranex, take him away because our company, Lord, did not allow us to take someone from another mine with our own bus, my Lord.
Thank you. And then on any other given date, will you travel to Basuti Hostel with accused number 2?
Ngezinye nje insuku noma ngelinye nje ilanga ke bekwenzeka yini ukuthi uyihambele nje wena naye ke umsolo wesibili niye khona eBasuthu Hostel?
Chaza kwenzeka kosenkantolo.
No, it has never happened, my Lord.
Will you travel to any other place around Fosilo Rise with accused number 2?
Kukhona la ohamba khona nje lapha eFosloras naye umsolo wesibili?
Kosenkantolo ngoba ngichaza nje ukuthi zingane angihambi nazo.
My Lord.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Akaze nalelo dilanga ngihamba naye.
My Lord, as I explained that they are children or they are younger than me, I do not go around with them. So it has never happened that I would go around with him.
Thank you. Did you ever travel to the province of KwaZulu-Natal with accused number 2?
Usuke wahamba yini naye umsola wesibili niya eKZN?
Yebo kosenkantolo ma samba Friday sivale si off ngeweekend. Ngiyahamba naye ngiphinde futhi ngibuye na ngeSunday kuye emsebenzini Monday.
Yes, my Lord, if we would be off on that particular weekend, I would travel with him on the Friday and then we come back on the Sunday, my Lord, so as to prepare to go to work on Monday.
Thank you. Now let us move to another aspect. Mr. Jack Buthelezi.
Asidlulele kolunye ke udaba Jack Buthelezi.
How do you know him?
Umazi kanjani?
Abuthezi ngiyamazi benhlana endlini sihlola amakamera.
I know Buthelezi, we shared the same house. We're only separated by bedrooms.
Wait, they at Marikana?
American?
Yebo kosenkantolo.
Yes, my Lord.
Did he partake in this traditional dance as well?
Ingaba naye wayeyingxenye yengoma.
Kosenkantolo wayengxenye phambilini enethimi yakhe. Mina ngisese eKlufu.
Before, my Lord, he was a part, he had his own team, and I was still at Kloof at the time.
Mr. Jack Buthelezi testified in this court and I'm just touching on his evidence. I'm not quoting it from the record. And he testified that Mr. Bongani Ntanzi also desk for the Phosphorus team. What is your comment?
Kubufakazi bakhe abethula kule nkantolo noma phambi kwayo le nkantolo umnumzana Buthelezi wakusho ke ukuthi ke uNtanzi ke wayingxenye ke yesipani sase Phosphorus.
Kasakati waze kwenzeke lokho.
My lord, that has never happened.
Okay, now let's proceed. Now, let's move to the events of the 16th of June 2020, the arrest of accused number 2.
Asiyeke manje kuyi-16 zika June 2020 ukuboshwa kwakhe umsolo wesibili.
How did you learn of his arrest?
Ukuthi ke waboshwa into owayazi kanjani leyo, wakwazi kanjani lokho?
Umsolo wesibili uTanzi.
Ntanzi, yebo.
Wafona ingane yakube ekhaya.
His sibling back home phoned
Yathi sekuboshwe ubhuti.
and then said, my brother has been arrested.
Ngathi mina uboshelweni.
I then said, what has he been arrested for?
Yathi ayithunywa umama wathi akabuze kimi ukuthi uboshelweni Ntanzi. Shuthi umama wazi lesa story ngasiwa naye ekhaya ngazomfaka emsebenzini. Akasasemuvele kwenye idolobha eRustenburg.
The sibling then said that or wanted to know as to why was he arrested, because what the mother knew, that is now accused number 2's mother knew, was that I'm the one who took him from home so that he could get employment here, but the mother didn't know that he had now moved to another town, Rustenburg.
And then when was that?
Kwakunini?
Kasakati wala ngifuna uqamba ngisazi wakunini lapho.
I don't want to tell lies, my lord. I don't know as to when exactly that was.
Was it the date in which he was arrested?
Ingabe kwakuwona amalanga lawo aboshwa ngawo noma ayeboshwe ngawo?
Kasakati wala ngisho njalo nje ukuthi kulamalanga aboshwa ngalo nje. Boshwa ngawo.
Let me say so, my lord, that it was within those days of his arrest.
And then what is the name of the sibling that called you?
Nanjengoba uthi ke kwafona ingane yakube ubani igama lalengane le eyafona?
Kosekatolo angisayikhumbula igama lobani ingane entombazane.
I can't remember who the name of the girl was, my lord.
And then what did you do as a result?
Sekwenzekile ke lokho ukuthi afoneke wase wenzani wena?
No ubuthelezi wena inamba yomunye umfana oyifamily I think so oyifamily no Tanzi.
Buthelezi had a number of a particular guy who was related to Ntanzi, yebo,
Wafonela yena lo mfana.
and he called that gentleman.
Wambuza futhi ukuthi ubosheleni.
Then Buthelezi asked or inquired, why has he been arrested?
Wathi kutholakale nenhlamvu eziplastic.
Inhlamvu zeplastic.
Inhlamvu zesibhamu zikuplastic.
Okay. He then answered and said that he was, or it was alleged that he was found with ammunition that were in a plastic.
Ngabuza kosenkantolo ukuthi uTanzi nenhlamvu udibana.
I then inquired or asked, Ntanzi and ammunition, how do they connect?
Let me stop you here, sir. Are you still talking about the incident of the 16th of June 2020?
Ingabe sakhuluma ngesehlakalo sange 16 June 2020?
No ngikhuluma ngesehlakalo uTanzi eboshiwe.
No, I'm referring to the incident on Ntanzi had been arrested.
I want to be very fair to you, sir. Ntanzi was arrested on the 16th of June 2020.
Ngifuna nje ngikusho ke lokho kuwena ke noma kuqondeke ukuthi uNtanzi waboshwa nge-16 zika June 2020.
Kosekatolo bengithi ubaba lapho mnumzane usabuza ukuthi ekuboshweni kwaNtanzi uthole kanjani. Ngathi mangibuza ukuthi uboshelweni sathotha uboshelweni. Engiselapho kosekatolo ekuboshweni kwaNtanzi ngikuthole kanjani.
I thought, my lord, we were still there that with regards to Ntanzi's arrest, how did I find out about him being arrested.
Okay. And then after you received the call from the sibling of accused number 2, Mr. Bongani Ntanzi, did you make an endeavor to contact Mr. Bongani Ntanzi telephonically?
Usuzwileke ngengane yakubo ukuthi ke uboshiwe. Ingaba wazama yini ke wena ukuthi awuxhumane noNtanzi?
Angizamanga Nkosi enkantolo.
I did not make any endeavor, my lord.
Are you certain, sir?
Unesiqiniseko?
Angizamanga Nkosi enkantolo bangisho nje.
As I am saying, my lord, I did not make any endeavor.
I will demonstrate to you that you did make those endeavors.
Ngizokukhombisa ke ukuthi ke wazama wakwenza lokho.
Now, let's make progress. What will you say if I put it to you that Bongani Ntanzi, after his arrest, his family knew of the arrest on the 13th of July 2020, opposed to what you are saying now in court today?
Ungathini uma ngathi kuwena ukuthi umndeni kaNtanzi ukuthi wazi ngokuboshwa kwakhe bazi nge-13 July 2020 okuphikisanayo naloku wena okushoyo?
Kusenkantolo ake ngibeka nje. Mina ngizwe ngomndeni wakaNtanzi ukuthi uNtanzi uboshiwe kusenkantolo.
My lord, let me put it like this. I heard it from Ntanzi's family that Ntanzi had been arrested or was arrested.
So, this assertion that the family learned about his arrest after the 13th of July 2020 is incorrect.
Manje ke inkulumo lena yokuthi umndeni wakhe bona ke bazokuthola emuva kwe-13 July 2020 ngokuboshwa kukaNtanzi ukuthi lokho akusilona iqiniso.
Angazi Nkosenkantolo bangisho nje ngithi ayikho angiyinakele lesikhathi ngoba ngangisebenzela mina athola i-call sibuye ekhaya ukuthi sekuboshwa uNtanzi.
I don't know.
Wathi angikhumbuli angafocusanga khona.
I don't know, my lord. There is nothing specific or in particular that I was focusing on, my lord. I was just working at that particular time. I then received a call from back home that Ntanzi had been arrested, my lord. As to when I was arrested, my lord, I don't know.
Thank you. Like I said, I will demonstrate to you, say that immediately after his arrest, you did try to contact Mr. Bongani Ntanzi.
Nanjengoba bese ngishilo ke kuwena ke ukuthi ke ngizokuveza ke noma ngizokukhombisa ke lokhu ukuthi emuva nje kokuboshwa kwakhe wazama ke wena ukuthi uxhumane naye.
Nkosenkantolo ngeke kubeka naqala ukuthi ifoni kaNtanzi eboshiwe yayi online.
I said this before, my lord, that Ntanzi's phone, after him being arrested, my lord, that the phone was in use.
Mangifonela yangifaka voicemail kodwa online.
When I called it, my lord, it then put me on voicemail, yet it was in use, my lord. It was online.
Chaza Nkosenkantolo ukuthi ngeke ngachaza komunye.
No, I'm the one who's asking you questions, sir. Answer my questions.
Imina ekubuzayo baba, phendula wena eyami imibuzo.
Okay. Like I said, there is evidence before this court, objective evidence from Vodacom that shows or demonstrates that you did contact Mr. Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
Nanjengoba ngisho ke kuwena ukuthi bukhona ke ubufakazi phambi kwayo lenkantolo, ubufakazi ke obuya eVodacom ukuthi impela wazama ukuthi ke uxhumane naye uBongani Ntanzi.
And can you also confirm that the following number +27823906569 is your number?
Ungaqinisekisa ke ukuthi le number lena 0823906569 inamba yakho.
kunjalo Nkosi enkantolo.
That is indeed correct, my lord.
And then it is the number that you were using at the time.
Futhi ke kuyinamba owawuyisebenzisa ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Namanje Nkosi enkantolo.
I am still using it now, my lord.
Okay. Just to get a bit of. When you learned about the arrest of Mr. Bongani Ntanzi, were you together with Mr. Jack Buthelezi?
Ngesikhathi owathola ngaso noma owezwa ngaso uzwa ke ngokuboshwa kwakhe uBongani Ntanzi, ingabe wawundawonye yini no Jack Buthelezi?
Sahlala ndawonye Nkosi enkantolo.
We were staying together, my lord.
Do you know what steps did Mr. Jack Buthelezi take?
Ingabe uyazi ukuthi ke wathatha noma yini eyenziwa uJack Buthelezi ke esekutholile noma esekuzwile lokho? Yini awayenza?
Nkosi enkantolo ngoba ngithi angibhizi emsebenzini engakuzwa ngaye ngathiwa kwaye ayo bona uTanzi ngaze kuthi uzovela ecourt kuphi ngapha angisemsebenzini
My lord,
anginaqiniseko sakhona lokho.
what I heard from him, my lord, as I said that I was busy at work, is that he had went or he had gone to see Ntanzi. Ntanzi was about to appear in court, my lord, but I'm not certain about that.
And then from the date in which Bongani Ntanzi was arrested until today, did you have any telephonic contact with him?
Ukusuka ngawo amalanga la aboshwa ngawo uNtanzi kuze kube namuhla, engabe usuke waxhumana yini naye ke ngocingo uNtanzi?
Lutho Nkosi enkantolo.
Nothing, my lord.
Did you?
Mr. President, I think this question is very vague because this witness said, on account of the fact that Mr. Ntanzi's question has always been online immediately after his arrest, he made endeavors to contact him, but he couldn't go through. So the question comes now. After Mr. Ntanzi's arrest, has he tried to contact him? That is basically the same question that this witness has answered, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
Did you have any telephonic contact with Mr. Ntanzi from the 18th of June until the 5th of May 2026?
18 June. Ingabe usuka waxhumana yini noNtanzi ukusuka nge-18 zika June 2020 kuzoshaya i-5 zika May 2026?
Nkosi enkantolo azengixhumana noTanzi.
My lord, I've never been in contact with Ntanzi.
Did you receive a call from Mr. Bongani Ntanzi?
Ingabe wathola ucingo yini olubuya umnumzana uBongani Ntanzi?
Alukho Nkosi enkantolo.
None, my lord.
Did you make an outgoing call to his number ending with 6890?
From him to him.
Yes, just
Ingabe
two-way
wena
process.
washayela uNtanzi noma kwakho nocingo yini olubuya kule number yakho egcina ngo6569 eya kwinumber kaNtanzi egcina ngo6890?
Ngicela ungiphinde kahle umbuzo.
Ingabe wena wake washayela uNtanzi yini kuwena umfonelayo ngenumber yakho yona le egcina ngo6569 ufonela uNtanzi inumber kaNtanzi 0609016890 wake washayela uNtanzi yini wena kuwena umfonelayo kule number le ucingo libuya kulena inumber ekuye yakho?
Nkosi enkantolo ngasiphi isikhathi mhlambe emva ubeboshwe?
When maybe my lord, when exactly, my lord? Maybe after his arrest?
I said between the 18th of June 2020 and today.
Ngishilo ke lana ngithe phakathi kwe-18 zika June, nge-18 wayeseboshiwa, ngithi uboshwe nge-16. So ngithe ukusuka nge-18 zika June 2020 kuze kuzofica namuhla yi-5 zika May namhlanje 2026. So phakathi kwalesi sikhathi lesi.
Nkosi enkantolo kuthi nale number le angisenayisho noma yiyo le ayeyisebenzisa lengangiyazi mina engakaboshwa noma yipi le number.
With regards to the number, my lord, I am not certain whether this is the number that he was using, which I heard, that is now before his arrest. So I'm not certain about the number, my lord.
Evidence before this court confirms that that was the number he was using at the time he was arrested.
Ubufakazi ke obukhona phambi kwayo lenkantolo, ubufakazi ke obukhombisayo noma obutshengisayo ke ukuthi ngempela iyona ke inamba ayayisebenzisa le.
Kosenkantolo uma uthi inamba ayayisebenzisa engakaboshwa ezeboshwa. Kosenkantolo ngalesikhathi ngithi le number yayiba online. Ngizama ukuyifonela ingifake voicemail kodwa online.
My lord, if this is the number that he was using before his arrest up until the time of his arrest, my lord, then this is the number then I am saying or indicating, my lord, that it was online, my lord, or that it was in use, but when phoning it, my lord, I would not get through.
Okay. Now, let's start with the first call, 18 June 2020, 1940-29. It's a CF call forward, lasted for 5 seconds. And then from your number, +278239065669. That is the first call.
My lord, I'm going to request my learned colleague to slow down. That is way too fast.
The first call, you made a call to Mr. Bongani Ntanzi. Using, yes,
Eqala i-call wena owafonela umnumzana uBongani Sandiso Ntanzi
using your number 278239065669.
usebenzisa yona inamba yakho le egcina ngo6569
And then to his number 276090168990.
umshayela kuyona inamba le yakhe 0609016890.
Kosenkantolo kwakuyiphi date la?
18 June 2020, sir.
Ngeyi-18 zika June 2020
Kosenkantolo ngesikhathi esanda kuboshwa.
when he had just been arrested.
That is correct.
Yebo.
Kosenkantolo yikho ngithi I think kungaleli langa leli ngiboni online. Ngizama ukuyifonela ingangeni.
My lord, which is what I'm saying, my lord, that I then noticed that the cell phone or the phone was in use. I then tried to call it, but the call did not go through.
And then you already knew of his arrest through his family, right?
Ngaleso sikhathi leso wawusewuzwile ngomndeni wakhe ngokuboshwa kwakhe.
Yebo Kosenkantolo.
Yes, my lord.
And the sibling that contacted you indicated that it was a request from accused number 2's mother, correct?
Uthi-ke ingane yakubo le ekuyiyona eyakushayela ucingo yakutshela ukuthi-ke yayicelwe uma ukuthi-ke akakufonele abuze ngokuboshwa kwaNtanzi.
Injalo Kosenkantolo.
That is correct, my lord.
So it cannot be correct that the family of accused number 2 did not know of his whereabouts from the 16th, 17th, 18 June.
Manje-ke angeke kube yilona-ke iqiniso noma angeke kube yiqiniso ukuthi-ke umndeni kaNtanzi wawungazi ngokuboshwa kwakhe ngeyi-16, i-17 kuze kuyofika ngeyi-18.
Kosenkantolo ukuboshwa kwaNtanzi, uNtanzi uhlala eRustenburg. Mina ngiseMarekani.
My lord, with regards to Ntanzi's arrest, Ntanzi resides in Rustenburg and I am in Marikana.
It's too far ukuthi ngingezwa into kaNtanzi mina ngihlezi ngisemgodini.
It's too far, my lord, for me to be able to hear about Ntanzi's matter. I am always underground, yebo.
That's why ngabe sengibuza ukukhuluma sekubuye ekhaya ngingakwazi ngikhona eMarekani ngoba
Hence-
ngiseRustenburg.
Hence, I only heard about this, my lord, when it only came from back home and I knew nothing about it. He's in Rustenburg, I'm in Marikana.
And then the second contact between yourself and Mr. Bongani Ntanzi on his number +276090168990, 18 June 2020 at 22:06:56 MT SMS from your number 278239065669.
And repeat the time, 1822.
It's 18 June 2020, 22, 6 minutes and 56 seconds.
Maniphinda ke noma makuphinda ke kuba khona ke ukuxhumana phakathi kwenamba yakho egcina ngo6569 ukuya ke kwinamba kaNtanzi egcina ngo6890 kwakungazo futhi i18 June lezo isikhathi ke u1822 nama seconds awu56 just an SMS
MT SMS, yes.
kwaku umqhafazo ke
kusenkantolo uba ngisho ukuthi angisakhumbuli kulesa sikhathi uboshwa Ntanzi ngoba umuntu owaye elandelela ngoba wayenesikhathi kwakubuthelisi nisikhathi sininga umuntu engangibusy because le position bengikuyo bengabi na chance bengiphuma ekseni ngibuye ngo5.
My Lord, as I'm saying that with regards to that specific time, my Lord, I'm unable to recall the person that was making follow-ups, my Lord, was Buthelezi, and the position that I was in at that particular time, my Lord, I was buqala ngo5 noma buphuma ngo5.
Bengena ekseni ngo6 to the mabo 5 late.
I would knock in at work, my Lord, around 6 in the morning and knock off around 5 in the afternoon. So I did not have the time.
And then what you have just said is also confirmed by this record to suggest that Buthelezi indeed made follow-ups. And this we see on this exhibit, the cell phone records of accused number 2, case ID 1031225, page 8 of 38. We see how many? 1, 2, 15 communications between Mr. Jack Buthelezi and Mr. Bongani Ntanzi between the period 19 June and 20 June 2020.
Lokhu okushoyo ke kuqinisekiswa ke imininingwane ke le enginayo ke la phambi kwami ukuxhumana ke okwakukhona phakathi kwakhe umnumzana uJack Buthelezi kanye naye ke umnumzana Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi phakathi kwazo i19 June 2020 kanye nazo i20 June 2020 ukuthi ke kwakunoxhumana amahlandla awu15 15.
As the court pleases, my Lord. My Lord, that is an unfair question. Mr. Buthelezi came to testify in this court, and he was never asked about this communication. Now, this witness is supposed to answer on behalf of Buthelezi, whom he spoke to when he contacted that number of 6890, or if there was any contact at all, my Lord. As the court pleases.
Yes, sir.
We'll argue the point, my Lord. We'll move on. 21 June 2020 at 18:08:37, a CF lasting 2 seconds from your number 278239065669 and his number 276090168990.
Xhumana kulandelayo nge21 zika June 2020 phakathi ke kwenamba yakho egcina ngo6569 nenamba yakho emhlanje egcina ngo6890.
Kusenkantolo ngicela ukubuza lapho yami ifoni yayifona kusenkantolo ori ekatanza ifona ngapha.
Was this an MTC or an MOC?
You were trying to contact Mr. Ntanzi, sir.
Wena wawuzama ukuthi uxhumane noNtanzi.
Kusenkantolo ngoba ngisho ngithi angisaqinisekisi lapho ukuthi kwawenzakalani because ifoni ke mina into engishiye endlini umuntu owexhumana ewenesikhathi kwanguye mhlawumbe ubuthelisi wethanda ukulandelela ukuthi ubushiwe lapha ayobheka khona eRustenburg makutuzovele court.
As I'm saying, my Lord, that I'll be leaving my phone at home, and the person that had time that would make follow-ups, whether to check whether it been arrested there in Rustenburg, was Buthelezi.
See, now it now defeats the purpose of the objection. You keep on bringing Buthelezi. I'm trying to move away from Buthelezi. Be as it may, my Lord, may we then adjourn for lunch. It's 1 minute after 1.
So we
Yes, it's a